As an accounting software expert, I frequently encounter questions from small business owners and freelancers about the capabilities of various platforms. One of the most fundamental aspects of running a business is understanding where your money comes from. In other words, tracking your income. This naturally leads to the question, does FreshBooks track income? The answer is an unequivocal yes. FreshBooks is primarily designed to help small businesses and self-employed professionals manage their finances, and tracking income is a core function of its offerings. It provides a robust and user-friendly system to record, categorize, and report all forms of revenue, giving you a clear picture of your financial health. Let's break down how FreshBooks tackles income tracking, making it simple and effective for anyone, regardless of their accounting background. The foundation of income tracking, invoicing. For many businesses, especially service-based ones, the primary source of income is through invoices. FreshBooks excels in this area. It allows you to create professional invoices. You can design custom invoices with your branding, easily add line items for services or products, set payment terms, and even include a personalized message. The intuitive interface makes it straightforward to generate invoices quickly. Send invoices electronically. FreshBooks facilitates sending invoices directly to your clients via email. This speeds up the billing process and ensures your clients receive their invoices promptly. Track invoice status. Crucially, FreshBooks provides real-time updates on the status of your invoices. You can see at a glance which invoices have been sent, viewed, partially paid, or fully paid. This eliminates guesswork and allows you to follow up on overdue payments efficiently. Automate reminders and late fees. To further streamline the collection process, FreshBooks allows you to set up automated reminders for overdue invoices and even automatically apply late fees, encouraging prompt payment. Accept online payments. FreshBooks integrates with various payment gateways, like Stripe, PayPal, and FreshBooks Payments, to enable your clients to pay you directly online. When a payment is made through these integrations, FreshBooks automatically records the income and updates the invoice status, saving you valuable time and ensuring accuracy. By centralizing your invoicing and payment collection, FreshBooks ensures that all income derived from your core services or product sales is captured accurately and efficiently. Beyond invoices, tracking other income. Not all income comes from invoices. Many small businesses have what's often referred to as other income or non-invoiced income. This can include rental income from property, interest earned from bank accounts, sales from online marketplaces like Etsy or Shopify, if not directly integrated with invoice generation, affiliate commissions, refunds received from suppliers, cash payments for miscellaneous jobs. FreshBooks provides a dedicated section to record this other income. You can easily add new income entries, specify the source, categorize it, e.g., rental income, online sales, advertising income, and record the amount and date. This ensures that every dollar coming into your business is accounted for, providing a complete financial picture. This is vital for accurate tax preparation and understanding your business's true profitability. The power of reports. Visualizing your income. Capturing income data is only half the battle. Understanding it is the other. FreshBooks offers a suite of reports designed to give you clear insights into your income and overall financial performance. The most important reports for tracking income include Profit and Loss Report, Income Statement. This is arguably the most crucial financial report for any business. The Profit and Loss (P&L) report in FreshBooks clearly outlines your total income, including both invoiced and other income, and your total expenses over a specific period. The difference between these two figures reveals your net profit or loss, giving you a comprehensive view of your business's profitability. Payments Collected Report. This report provides a detailed breakdown of all payments you've received, showing you exactly who paid you, how much, and when. You can filter this report by client, date range, and even payment method to get specific insights. Sales Tax Summary Report. If you charge sales tax, FreshBooks helps you track the sales tax collected on your income, making it easier to prepare your sales tax remittances. Dashboard. FreshBooks Dashboard provides a high-level overview of your financials as soon as you log in. This typically includes a snapshot of your revenue, outstanding invoices, and recent payments, allowing for quick checks on your business's financial pulse. These reports can be generated with ease, often with just a few clicks, and can be exported or shared with your accountant. This accessibility of financial data is key to making informed business decisions, identifying trends, and planning for the future. Why comprehensive income tracking matters. For small business owners, tracking income isn't just about knowing how much money you've made. It's about financial health assessment. A clear understanding of your income allows you to assess the financial health of your business, identify profitable services or products, and pinpoint areas that might need adjustment. Tax preparation. Accurate income records are absolutely essential for filing your taxes correctly and avoiding potential issues with tax authorities. FreshBooks organizes your income data in a way that simplifies this process. Cash flow management. By tracking incoming payments, you can better manage your cash flow, ensuring you have enough funds to cover your expenses and invest in growth. Business growth and planning. Detailed income data provides the insights needed to set realistic financial goals, plan for expansion, and make strategic decisions about pricing, services, and marketing. Accountability. Having a robust system for tracking income ensures accountability for all transactions, reducing the risk of errors or discrepancies.